Hey friends, hello. He walks with just three legs, but his heart runs toward love. When I opened the milk, he came running not just for food, but maybe for a little kindness too. Today I saw him again, the same stray dog with a limp using only three legs to walk. As soon as I spotted him, memories came rushing back. There was something familiar in his eyes, something gentle. I had brought milk today, and as I sat on a small wall, I opened the milk packet slowly. He must have sensed it from a distance because I saw him running toward me. Not fast but determined. Maybe he was hungry, or maybe he remembered that I once cared. I poured the milk into a bowl and tore pieces of bread into it. He was getting closer, his eyes fixed on the bowl, his ears perked up. Right behind him was a smaller puppy, his friend, but the little one did not drink. Instead, he stood back, wagging his tail almost as if he was celebrating that his limping friend finally had something warm and kind today. The three legged dog started drinking slowly. I stroked his head gently while he drank. He paused after a few gulps, looked at me, and then turned back to the bowl. It was not just about feeding, it felt like trust was being built in those silent moments. Even though the smaller pup did not drink, he looked genuinely happy. Maybe joy does not always come from what you receive, but from seeing someone you love being cared for. That's what this moment felt like. I stayed there for a while, petting the dog, capturing some memories on video, not for views, but to remember this connection in a world full of noise. Sometimes a quiet moment with a limping stray can say more than 1,000 words. As time passed, he grew calm, his tail wagged slowly, and there was peace in his eyes. I sat beside him, and for a few moments we just extended in silence. He gently rested his head on my hand. That small gesture said everything. Thank you, I trust you. I knew he had seen tough days, but today felt different. The little pup stayed close too. He did not drink the milk, but he looked content, maybe happy that his friend was finally being cared for. Before I left, I whispered to him, "You are not invisible, you matter." If this moment touched your heart, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, and join us on TikTok. Your support help us care for more forgotten lives. Thank you everyone.